Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Today I am starting the lesson number 3, The Lady or the Tiger. In the olden times, kings and rulers had their own ways of punishing criminals. Punishments were often given without proper trials. Rights and wrongs were decided by the king himself, and nobody was supposed to say a word against him. So, children, in ancient time, before in olden times, kings and rulers they have to give the punish to criminals their own decision. Nobody can speak anything about the decision, and they have to accept whatever they're giving the punishment. Let's now read a story about a king whose method of administrating justice affected the fate of a young man the princess was in love with. This story also makes us think about the various emotions like jealousy, pride, and suspicion that change the course of pure love. So this is one type of the same story where we can get see a young man who loved a princess. For that matter, he got the punishment by the king. So let's get started the story. Long, long ago, there lived a powerful king. Some of his ideas were good, but sometimes they brought trouble to people. The king's way of carrying out justice was very strange. Crime was punished or innocence was proved and rewarded through a game of chance in front of the public. People would gather in an arena. The king sat high up on his throne. Following a sign from the king, a door under him would open. From this door, the person accused of committing crime would enter into the arena. Directly opposite the king were two doors. They looked same and were side by side. The person on trial had to walk directly to these doors and open any one of them. He had to decide on his own which door to open. So, children, now I am going to explain you. Long, long ago, there lived a powerful king. Some of his ideas were good, but sometimes they brought trouble to people. So, many years ago, a powerful king was there. His some ideas are good. Whatever he was taking decision, that is good, but sometimes it is trouble for people. The king's way of carrying out justice was very strange. Means whatever kings wanted to take the decision is very strange. Nobody can tell what. Crime was punished or innocence was proved and rewarded through a game of chance in front of the public. So whatever punishable people, what they are get, how they prove their, to them, they have to prove them by a game. With the chance of a game, they will give the chance to play a game to them in front of the public. People would gather in an arena. The king sat high up on his throne. Following a sign from the king, a door under him would open. From this door, the person accused of committing crime would enter into the arena. So what happened? The people would gather. Arena means a place surrounding by people. Middle a field type of field is there. There sports or game whatever entertainment they will do in the middle. The king sat high up on the throne. The position was sitting high up. Following a sign from the king, a door under where the king was sitting in under only one door will be open. In that door only, that committing accused who was punishable person, he should come from that door. Under the sitting the king there. Directly opposite the kings were two doors. Where the kings were sitting, exact opposite two doors are there. But the doors look like same, side by side. The person on trial had to walk directly to these doors and open any one of them. He had to decide on his own which door to open. So, who was the crime person? He should go by walk and open any one door. That is his own decision which door he should open. But here was a catch. Behind one of the two doors used to be a hungry tiger, which was known to be a fierce tiger, and behind the second door used to be a maiden. If the accused opened the door which hid the tiger, when the tiger would eat the accused. But if the door of the maiden was opened, then the accused was to marry her. So what happened, children? So both are doors. Once one door if open means they are a hungry tiger, and the hungry tiger was waiting for the person, crime person. He has to eat that person, and behind another one second door, one maiden. Maiden means a young woman. If he opened that second door, he should get married. He should do marry that maiden. Next page, children, page number 20. Iron bells would ring out if the door of the tiger was opened, and then the audience would go home mourning for the loss of the person. But if the door of the maiden was opened, then a small celebration would take place in the arena where the two would be married off. So, what happened if the person would open the tiger's door? That time iron bells will ring, and after that, what happened? The tiger will reach that person, and all people will do mourning for his death, and they will go to home silently because he lost that person. Someone is family members, someone is nearest anybody, neighbors like that. Then a small but if the door of the maiden was open, but if he opened the maiden door, he should marry that maiden, and there a small celebration was there in the arena. The problem was that nobody knew which door would hold the tiger and which door would hide the maiden, as that was kept secret. Sometimes the fierce animal came out of one door, sometimes it came out of the other. This was the king's method of carrying out justice. This method was a popular one. People could never guess what was going to happen. So everyone was always interested. So this is a very famous popular method. People can't guess now next this incident what will be happen. So all are getting interest about the arena means they are what will giving by punishment the king. The king had a beautiful daughter who resembled in him in many ways. He loved her above all people. The princess secretly loved a young man who was the best looking and bravest in the land. But he was a commoner and did not belong to a noble family. But the king had a beautiful daughter which one resembled in any ways to the king. He loved her above all people. So the king loved the princess above all people. But the princess secretly loved a young man who was best looking and bravest in the world land. But the princess, that king's daughter, she loves a man who was the best looking, means beautiful look and bravest, very. he won't scare anything that this kind of people in the land. But he was a commoner and did not belong to a noble family. His one mistake, he was a commoner. Commoner means common people, not belong to an important family. He is not belong to a noble family or important family. One day the king discovered the relationship between his daughter and the young man. The man was immediately imprisoned. A day was set for his trial in the king's public arena. This, of course, was an important event. Never before had a common subject been brave enough to love the daughter of the king. So, what happened? One day, the king discovered the relationship between his daughter and the young man, and in that time only, that person immediately imprisoned, put inside the prison. A day was set for his trial to the king's public arena. That day is selected for trial purpose. One day to the arena. It was an important event. Never before had a common subject. Means this type of subject before nothing didn't happen. That one brave somebody had love to the daughter of the king. Everybody knew that the princess and the man loved each other, but the king wanted to carry out justice according to his own way. The tiger cages of the kingdom were searched for the fiercest tiger in the kingdom. Also, the judges searched throughout the land for the most beautiful maiden. So they search one side the tiger, most fierce tiger in the kingdom, and another side they search most beautiful maiden by judges. The day of the trial arrived. People gathered in the arena and outside its walls. The king and his advisers were in their places opposite the two doors. So the day was arrived, which day they selected. People gathered all that kingdom, kings, this kingdom. All people are gathered there along with king and his advisors. They took their own places. So children, opposite the two doors. So opposite the two doors, everyone was ready. So the sign was given. The door under the king opened, and the young man entered the arena. So what happened? Opposite the two doors was ready. Everything was ready. The sign was given. One sign they had, that one given. The door under the king, which one under the king, that person will come, that one opened, and the young man entered the arena. Okay, children. Today, up to this much, page number 21, first paragraph I completed. Next, the two pages I will complete tomorrow. So, bye, children.